Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Isaac Lux Clinic in Vasant Vihar, New Delhi talking about laser hair reduction. And I'm very excited to take you through this amazing painless treatment for super soft and smooth skin. I've seen so many patients that are at first hesitant to try laser for hair removal. But once they do, there's no going back. And at the end of today's video, I hope you'll also be feeling the same. So without any further ado, let's get started. Laser hair reduction offers a fantastic long-term solution for those who want to ditch the traditional hair removal methods, be it shaving, waxing or threading. None of these can beat the power of laser hair reduction. With LHR, we directly target your hair follicles, putting a stop to the future hair growth. One of the great things about laser hair reduction is that it's precision. It works wonders on various body parts, from face to the underarms, arms, legs, back, buttocks and even the bikini area and your groin area. All of this without causing any harm to the surrounding skin or any internal tissues or organs. Plus, the procedure is relatively quick and painless. You can be in and out of the clinic in just about 30 minutes, depending the area that you're going to get treated for. Also, with the newer technologies, the treatment is virtually painless. Most people only experience mild discomfort at first. So forget about the old myths of lasers being scary or painful. And now let's discuss what exactly is laser hair reduction. Well, it's a popular method used to permanently reduce or remove unwanted hair from all parts of your body. We use a handy laser device that emits a concentrated beam of light, which targets your hair follicles and stops them from future hair growth. The laser energy is directed towards the pigment or the melanil, the dark pigment in your hair follicles. The melanil absorbs the light, turning it into heat, and then that heat does the work, damaging the follicles and making it much more difficult for them to grow new hair. Over time, the treated hair falls out and you are left with significantly reduced hair growth. You can expect up till 90 to 98% less growth in just about 6 to 8 sessions. Now that you know what it is, now let's talk about preparation for laser hair reduction. Firstly, it is recommended to avoid plucking, shaving, waxing or using any type of hair removal methods like electrolysis for at least 4 weeks prior to your laser hair removal appointment. These hair removal methods remove the hair from the follicle, thus making the target of the laser very difficult. By allowing the hair to grow in the treatment area, the laser can effectively target the hair follicles and provide better results. Secondly, the sun exposure can impact the effectiveness of laser hair removal. It increases the risk of complications. It is important to avoid sun exposure for at least 3 days prior to the laser hair reduction sitting. Sun exposure can also make your skin a little more sensitive and increase the chances of skin discoloration or burns during the laser hair removal. If you need to be in the sun, make sure you apply broad spectrum sunblock with SPF 50 minimum to protect your skin from any of those damages. Thirdly, also certain medications such as aspirin or anti-inflammatory drugs can thin the blood and increase the risk of bruising or bleeding during the laser hair removal session. Consult your doctor about any medications that you are taking and whether they need to be stopped prior to the procedure. It is also important to remember to avoid using any kind of tanning creams or products to darken your skin before the laser hair reduction sitting, as this can interfere with the procedure as well. Now let me take you through the process of laser hair reduction. It begins with the preparation of the treatment area. Your skin will be cleaned thoroughly and the hair in the treated area would be shaved. This ensures that the laser light can effectively target only the hair follicles. To minimize any potential discomfort, a topical numbing cream can be applied for sensitive areas like your bikini or the groin area. The technician approximately takes about 20 to 30 minutes before the procedure, and then the technician will assess the factors like color, thickness and location of the hair to be treated. And according to that, the laser energy and the fluence is adjusted. Post shaving the area to be treated, we make grids on the area which has to be treated so that we can define and also understand the amount of energy that has to be given over that area. Both you and the technician will be required to wear appropriate eye protection to shield your eyes from the laser light source. Then a cold gel will be applied to protect the outer layer of your skin and facilitate the penetration of the laser light. Today in the clinic, our technician is using the Supreme Soprano Titanium machine, which is the most superior laser hair removal machine in the world. It's a 5th generation technology which is US FDA approved and results in longer term hair removal. It is time saving, virtually painless and offers value for the money as well. Unlike other laser hair removal, Soprano Titanium comes with a revolutionary 3D laser, and it also has SHR technology, which makes the treatment virtually painless. The machine is super fast to operate, which makes it perfect for larger areas like a full leg to be operated at. It can also be used to treat naturally tanned skin. So if you have recently returned from a holiday, your treatment will still be effective without any complications. Now back to the laser hair removal process. We now have the technician who will administer the pulses of light to the treated area. This process may take several minutes as they monitor and ensure the optimal energy is being used and without causing any adverse reactions. After the treatment, the technician can provide you with ice packs, anti-inflammatory creams, or just lotions or cold water to alleviate any discomfort or redness that could have been caused during the procedure. It is important to note that multiple sessions are usually required for optimal results. Typically, you will need to wait for 4 to 6 weeks before scheduling the next appointment. This interval allows the hair to go through the natural growth cycle, ensuring the subsequent sessions target the new hair growth completely. The process of laser hair removal continues until the hair stops growing. The number of sessions required depending on various factors, such as the hair thickness, the color, the individual hormonal profile, and also your response. Consequently, it is important to follow the recommended treatment plan provided to you by your doctor. Now, let's talk about some of the areas that you can try laser hair reduction on. You've got plenty of options here. For starters, there's face, which includes areas like upper lip, chin, sideburns, and cheeks. There is also the bikini area, which can be also treated very safely. Laser hair reduction can work wonders in that region. And for the men, in the groin area too, it can be used. There's also underarm, since most of the people have thick hair growth over there. Laser hair works beautifully there, and you can be hair free in no time. No more worries about shaving every day or dealing with the irritation. Larger body surface areas like legs are also a popular choice. Who wouldn't want to be smooth and hair free legs? Laser hair reduction can target unwanted hair not only on your thighs, calves, shins, but gives you the freedom to wear whatever you like, whenever you like. Now, laser hair reduction is just not for ladies. So it's a solution for today's men who want perfectly to eliminate the unwanted hair on their back, chest, and if you're tired of shaving or waxing, then consider laser hair reduction for that solution. Did I mention arms? Yes, you can even do it for your arms, forearms, upper arms, and all over the arm treatment. For men, in fact, they can also do laser hair reduction for beard shaping and also removal of the extra hair over their eyebrows, even on the outer lobe of the ear, and even the nostril hair. These are certain areas which are quite worrisome, and the hair can be removed over there permanently without any risk of complications. Now let's talk about benefits of laser hair reduction. For starters, it can provide long-term laser hair reduction. Through multiple sessions, laser hair reduction can significantly reduce hair growth in that particular area, almost up till 90 to 98% in just about 6 to 8 sessions. This means you won't have to devote any much more time and money into removal of hair with any other methods like be it waxing, shaving, bleaching. Another advantage is that precision that laser technology offers. The laser can specifically target the hair follicles without causing any harm to the surrounding skin, tissue, or any organs. This means that effectively removing unwanted hair while minimizing the risk of skin irritation or burns. You don't have to worry about accidentally hurting yourself or dealing with any sort of unpleasant side effects. One of the great things about laser hair removal is its speed. The treatment is relatively quick, and with each pulse, the laser is taking only a fraction of a second and treating multiple hairs simultaneously. The duration of the treatment varies depending on the area being treated. But in general, it's a fast procedure, and with Soprano Titanium, you can actually target a 30-minute full body laser hair reduction. Small areas like upper lip, underarms can be treated in just few minutes, while larger areas take a slight bit longer. To give you a better idea, a full body laser hair removal session can be completed in less than about 40 minutes. Another benefit that worth mentioning about laser hair reduction is that how it helps in women who have hirsutism or people who have hormonal issues. Laser hair reduction provides a cosmetic solution in reducing that hair growth. Of course, you have to undergo your medication and treatment to balance your hormones, but cosmetically, laser hair reduction works just perfectly fine for that. Another benefit worth mentioning is that laser hair removal helps reduce the occurrence of ingrown hair. Now, this is a common problem that comes in traditional hair removal methods like waxing or even shaving. Laser hair removal targets the hair follicles beneath the skin surface, significantly reducing likelihood of ingrown hair and leaving your skin smooth. Laser hair removal is generally a very comfortable procedure. You might only feel a little bit of heat or maybe a snapping sensation, which is generally taken very well by the patients. You can apply numbing cream on the sensitive areas like your bikini area or the groin area to make it more comfortable. Lastly, laser hair removal is known for predictability. Most patients experience permanent hair loss after an average of about 6 to 7 sessions, ensuring long-lasting results, freeing you from the constant need for hair removal. Next up is the aftercare. Just like any other cosmetic procedure, proper aftercare is vital to promote healing and also to maintain the desired results post-laser hair reduction. After undergoing laser hair removal, the targeted area should definitely be kept away from burning in the sun. To alleviate the discomfort, continue using cold compress and provide relief by using hydrating moisturizers. Keep your skin hydrated with the gentle moisturizer and protected with the SPF. For individuals who have undergone laser hair removal on their face, it is generally safe to apply makeup the day after the treatment, as long as there is no visible blister or open wounds. However, it is important that you use non-irritating and non-comedogenic products to avoid any acne breakouts or potential irritation or infection. One crucial aspect of laser hair reduction is protecting the treated area from excessive sunlight or UV radiation. Direct exposure to the sunlight, tanning beds, sun lamps, or any indoor tanning methods can result in hyperpigmentation, skin damage, and high risk of complications. It is advisable to keep the treated area covered and apply a sunblock, which is broad spectrum and SPF 50+ in nature, whenever exposed to sun. In addition to sun protection, it is important to avoid any activities that may cause excessive heat or sweating. This can increase the risk of infection and prolong the recovery process. Avoid hot showers, steam rooms, saunas, and even strenuous physical activity for at least 2 to 3 days, as it can cause increased irritation and itching on that area. Opting for cool, lukewarm waters and wearing loose, breathable fabrics is definitely suggested. Remember, before undergoing any laser hair reduction treatment, consult a professional and a reputable clinic to ensure your safety and achieve the best result. Each person's experience may vary, so it is crucial to discuss your specific concerns, your hormonal history, your goals, and an expert who can guide you through the process. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and information on various topics, so stay tuned. Also, please feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. I love hearing from you, and I will do my best to address the concerns or topics that you would like me to cover in future videos. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the future videos. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.